Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless entry, keyless ignition, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2017 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.